Good morning from the Appalachian Trail. Actually, it's probably not morning, it's probably around noon. And I figured I better shoot a video while I can because it's been pretty rocky. So we left Port Clinton this morning around 8 o'clock, I think we got on trail. And there was quite an ascent right out of town. And then a lot of rocks for a while and flattened out right now, so it looks kind of like a very old road. There's still a lot of rocks, so I can't look up too much, but it's been flat now for a little bit. So but overall, like, not too bad, you know. I mean, it's like, yes, there's rocks, but it's rocks that we've been already kind of hiking on. I know it's gonna get a little worse, but I mean, I guess my mindset is a little different now, and I'm just dealing with it and embracing the fact that this is going to be the rest of the next 3.5, 4 days. And if I can make it that far, then I'll be out of Pennsylvania. So it's kind of the mindset out here with the hikers, is they're all kind of tired and over the rocks, but you know, they could see the light at the end of the tunnel if we all could just make it 4 more days. So that is what I am trying to do. So, but weather is beautiful and it's still in the mid 70s. This morning it was cooler, so it's really nice for hiking. So I will take it. And yeah, so I will keep you all posted. I anticipate more to come today, but trying to get some snacks in and drink right now because I literally can't even eat or drink when I'm walking over the rocks, and forever how long they go on for. I was getting so hungry back there, and I was like, geez, I really want a snack, but I can't even put my trekking poles down for a second. So this is my small break, and we will see what's up the way. What's wrong, little bird? This little bird is... Hi. It's okay. I don't know what's wrong with this little bird, but he flew in front of me and he's doing some weird dance. Let's see. See what he's doing? I think he's trying to alarm me, but I'm not gonna hurt you, buddy. Just passing through. This tree was really cool. I was just growing out of the rocks here. It's like just swooping down. That's really cool. This is what we're on right now. Giant rock. Whatever this is. This is where it gets mentally rough because as far as I could see are just these rocks. As far as I can see. And they just go on forever and you can't walk on them. Oh, I'm gonna keep going though. Good afternoon. Well, oh, it's rocky. Lots of rocks. Lots of rocks. So, I am trying to love rocks. I love rocks. I love hiking on rocks. These flowers are so pretty. Lots of rocks. It is in full force right now, and we pretty much had rocks again 80% of the day, and they were like just piles and avalanches of rocks. And then when you turned the corner, it was more rocks, and then when those kind of went away, then it was the small pointy rocks. So we are in the thick of it, and it's getting thicker. I have about a mile and a half until we're going to stop for tonight. It'll be around 23 and a half miles, something like that, for today. And tomorrow we have some tough sections as well that I already know about. So gonna try to get 10 hours of sleep today, legitimately. I find that if I go in my tent by 7:30 and get all my things done, take vitamins, all that stuff, and then go to bed at 8 to 6, it's like the extra time that my body needs to quickly rejuvenate for another round. But I'm almost ready to knock one day down and just 2.5, 3 more until I could say bye-bye to PA. So we made it to camp tonight, and we have a nice little spot. Chris started a fire. There's a little light drizzle in the air, but we're nice and cozy here in this spot, and probably will be going to bed early tonight after the day that we had. But I had to share this. My amazing friend Brooke from back home sent with my most recent resupply homemade cookies, and I just have to show you this. She put a bunch of these inside the resupply box. They are, I haven't had one yet, so I'm just about to open it up, but it looks like a chocolate chip kind of cookie, and she made these homemade. Then she vacuum sealed these, and on each one of the cookies is a motivational quote that she hand wrote. Each one has a quote on it, and so this particular quote is a Japanese proverb that says, fall down 7 times and stand up 8. So this one came at actually a perfect time today with all the rocks here in Pennsylvania. But I just had to share this because, Brooke, thank you so much. This is just the most caring and thoughtful gift, and I really appreciate it. Plus, I cannot honestly wait to eat the cookies.